Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making garlicky shoyu chicken. Prepare the sauce by combining the garlic, ginger, shoyu, sugar, brown sugar, and water. Mix well until the sugars have dissolved. Trim the chicken and place skin side up in a large pot. The liquid won't immerse the chicken, but the pieces should be partially covered in the sauce. Cover the pot tightly with foil, but leave a 1-inch gap for steam to escape. Heat on high for 6 to 7 minutes, or until you see steam wafting from the foil gap. Then reduce heat to medium and continue cooking for 40 minutes. Set a timer and check the liquid depth at 30 minutes. If the sauce has reduced a lot, add a big splash of water and continue cooking for 10 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pot and place on a rimmed platter. Add water to the cornstarch so it doesn't clump, then add to the sauce and continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The sauce will transform into a thick glaze. Pour over the chicken pieces and serve over hot rice. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.